Hello from Intercontinental Abu Dhabi Hotel. I'm going to have another review, another staycation, this time in Abu Dhabi. I choose this hotel because it has over 28,000 reviews and the score is 4.8 from 5. So it's really seems like a pretty good deal. So hopefully it's going to be good. It's 5-star hotel near to Corniche and I will show you everything. Let's go. Here is a lobby bar, you can have some cakes, coffee here. It's 11 a.m. and we already got our room. It's room 1007 with sea view. Let's check it. Here is small corridor and we have a bathroom. I did not even check it yet, so it's my first time here. We have a bath, pretty normal size. One sink, toilet with bidet, this is huge, and a shower. It's a bit dated, I would say. They offer us upgrade, but we would need to wait, so we refused because this room was ready. We have bathrobes, no brands, safe as well is here. I think this is just, yeah, it's just a decor. And here is the room, pretty basic. Some sofa. We have coffee station, some tea, water, small TV, and check the view. So this is the view. Behind this kind of port there is a beach. We will go there later, so I will show you everything. Good, yeah, bit dated I would say, but yeah, let's explore. I am on my way to the beach. This is so quiet now because it's daytime. I believe in the evening they will open. It's a Belgian cafe. I already checked, they have happy hours, so something for me. I love happy hours. So here are information. It's a bit of walk to get to the beach, but it's absolutely fine, no problem. The weather is still really good. So you can see here all information. They have many restaurants, I think 4 or 5 restaurants. And this is the hotel. Nice. We are already at the beach. They also have a spa here. Kids play area and gym. You can also get the water. This is really nice actually. So let's check the beach first, then I will show you the pool. Oh, it's nice. It's not big, but it's nice. And so quiet, I like it. Beautiful. And here is a bar. Plenty of sunbeds, which is good. I really like it. And here is the pool with bar again. This is so nice. I like it. What is this? I think it's like a whirlpool. Is it working? Yeah, jacuzzi. Beautiful. Here is the second swimming pool on the third floor. I'm going to check the health club and gym. It's over there. They also have tennis courts. You can play a tennis if you want.